I'm Dr. Joe, your coach, and I'm here to support you to take your game from point A to point B. And I know you are a winner already. Winning is within you. All you gotta do is to take one step at a time, and over time, you are bound to win. You're gonna experience the ups and downs of life, but don't worry. Just be resilient. Keep your eyes on the dream and walk up with your shoulders high as if you are already a winner. I've been speaking, coaching, training a lot of professionals, and I've learned a few things. 6 things that you need to become a winner. You need to be immersed in inspiring content, be with inspired people. You need to attend workshops to learn. You need to find a coach. You need to develop a prototype so that you can go test the market with your idea. You need to be accelerated. You need meditation. And there are 5 interventions that I facilitate to help people achieve their dreams. The first one, I've got a program called Inspire Program. With that program, I host events. I do a lot of video clips, podcasts, and blogs. I've got workshops. There are 8 programs that I facilitate, from leadership to enterprise development to becoming an economy player. I coach on leadership, business development, and wealth management. I prototype. And finally, I accelerate your business. You need space. I link you with my partners. They find you an office space. We help you with legal, financial, all the support you need so that you can get your governance right. And we help you internationalize your company. Come, bring your dream. Let's help you. I thank you for your interest. Come, let's work together so that I can help you take your game to the next level. I'm Dr. Joe, but as for you, continue inspiring greatness till we meet.